Come to a comfortable seated position, and when you're ready, close your eyes down, pressing first finger and thumb together. To begin our class today, we'll start with a 4-part breath. Breathing in, hold the breath, breathe out, hold the breath, breathe in, hold the breath, breathe out, hold the breath, breathe in, hold the breath, breathe out, hold the breath. And now come back to your normal breath, feeling the sensations of your body in this moment. Opening your eyes, let's come into our Sufi grinds. Inhaling, circling forwards, exhaling back. Inhale forwards, exhaling back. We're starting to open up through our pelvis here, awaken that root chakra for grounding and to calm any anxiety. Keep circling, feeling your pelvis rotating round. And circle in the opposite direction, inhaling forwards, exhaling back, focusing on the feeling of your body and the energy starting to flow. Letting go of the thinking and over-analyzing and coming into your body. Inhale, come to center, hold the breath in, squeeze your pelvic floor, squeeze your belly button, focus third eye. Hold and squeeze. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale, hold, squeeze pelvic floor, belly button, eyes at third eye. Exhale. Inhale and squeeze, hold the breath in. See if you can squeeze the pelvic floor a little bit more. Exhale. Take a long, deep breath in and out. Feeling your body. Now bring yourself down to lie on your back with your knees bent, feet on the floor. Just take a few pelvic rocks forwards and backwards. Head and shoulders relaxed on the floor. Now start to come into our glute bridges now. Tucking your tailbone under and start to lift your hips up into your bridge. And as you hold the bridge, really squeeze your bum and tuck the tailbone under. Feel the knees reach away from you. And then inhale, reach the arms up and overhead, keeping your hips high. Exhale, the hands back down by your sides. Inhale, arms float through the air. Exhale, arms moving through honey, soft hands. Inhaling, arms up overhead. Exhaling, hands down by your sides. And roll down through the spine, trying to get your lower back to touch the floor before your bum. And take a breath in as your pelvis touches the floor. Exhale, tuck the tailbone under, lift the hips up into your bridge. Draw the rib cage in as you squeeze those glutes, bringing the knees out to the side and center. Out to the side and center. So keep it going here, working into the side of the glutes, keeping the hips high as the knees move out to the sides. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Roll down through the hips. Take a breath in and out. Rolling up through the spine. Lift into your bridge last time, and we'll do some pulses. Squeeze and release. Keep the tailbone tucking under. Lower back lengthening and actively squeeze your bum. Focus your mind on your glutes as you do this. Let that sensation build. And then roll down through the spine and relax for a moment. Bring your knees into your chest, drawing the knees apart, and bring the knees into happy baby, rocking yourself from side to side, and if possible, bringing one knee to the floor at a time. Head and shoulders relaxed on the floor. Take a breath in and out. Bring your feet to the floor and roll to one side, coming to a hands and knees position, and move into cat and cow. Maybe sending bum towards the heels into that kind of angry cat, and inhaling, shoulders draw back. Exhale, drop the head and tailbone, bring your bum to hover over your heels. Inhale, center. Exhaling, belly button to spine. Inhale, center. Extending right leg back, left arm forwards. We inhale, lift the arm and leg. And then bring the hand and leg to the floor. And lift. And lower. Lift. And lower. And lift and hold. And lower. And lift. And hold, breathing deeply, squeezing belly button in, working glutes. Exhale, bring elbow and knee to touch. Inhale, extend, and to touch. Extend, keeping going for 3 more. And 2. And slowly bring the hand and knee down. And let's change sides. Left leg back, right arm forward. And lift, belly button squeezing in. And lower, finding that lift through the lower back. Lift. And lower. Lift. And lower. 2 more. Lift and lower. Lift and hold here. Breathing deeply, feeling that lift through your bum and your shoulder. And then exhale, elbow knee to touch and extend. Touch and extend. 3 more. 3. Belly button squeezing in. 2. 1. And bring the hand and knee down to the floor. Step the right foot forwards to the outside of the right hand into a nice low lunge and let the hips sink forwards. Take the right hand onto the right thigh and push the leg away from you to twist, trying to straighten the right arm. Breathing in and out. Bring the right hand down, step to tabletop. Step the left foot forwards to lunge. Take the left hand to the thigh and push into the leg to twist to the left. Breathe deeply. Take the left hand down and step to a downward dog. Let the head hang heavy. Breathe into the belly. And if it feels good, press one heel to the floor at a time. Maybe softening both knees if that feels better and you can lengthen the spine better. Feel the body in this moment stretching. And then walk your hands to your feet and come down into a nice Malasana squat. If you can't bring your bum all the way down to the heels, just lift your heels off the floor or keep the bum higher with the fingertips down on the floor. Take a deep breath down into your belly and exhale. Feel your body. Come to stand now. We're coming into some squats. Palms pressed together at the heart center. Send the hips back. Inhaling down, exhale, squeeze those glutes to stand. Now try to keep your knees over your ankles, and if in doubt, lift your toes off the floor. Push the knees wide, and you want to feel those glutes stretching in the squat. So we're keeping the shoulders drawing back and the spine long from tailbone to top of the head. Take your time here. Inhaling down, exhaling up. Hold at the bottom of the squat here. Really allow those glutes and legs to burn and breathe deeply and come to stand. Well done. Bring the feet a little bit closer together and inhale to reach the arms up overhead. Exhale, bring the hands to the floor, let the head hang heavy. Feel the hamstrings and the back stretching, taking a breath into your belly and exhale fully. Hands come to the floor, step yourself back into a lunge with the back knee off the floor. Take the right arm up to the ceiling, twisted lunge. Holding here as you breathe deeply. Step the right hand down to the floor and then if you can, reach the arms up and overhead. If this is too much, keep your fingertips on the floor. And as you hold this position, allow those legs to build in sensation. Take the right hand behind you and the left arm forward, twisted lunge. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead. Exhale, bring the hands down to the floor. And step back to a downward dog. Take a full breath in and out. Step your left foot forwards to lunge. Bring the back knee off the floor. And take the left hand to the ceiling, twisted lunge. Take a breath in and out. And take the left hand to the floor. Coming into your high lunge now, as you press into the front heel, engage your abdominals, stretch up through the fingertips. Take a breath in and out. Take the left hand behind you, the right arm forward and twist in your lunge. Keep that front knee bent. Breathe in and out. Inhale the arms back up. Exhale the hands to the floor and step back. Come to child's pose. Send your bum to the heels. Reach the arms forwards. If this is too much on your knees, you can take a cushion just underneath your bum to take the pressure off the knee joint. Take a breath into your belly and out. And then bring yourself up and come down to lie on your back. Cross the right ankle over the left knee, hands behind the left thigh. If this is too much, you can just hold on to your left foot and knee, drawing the leg towards you. As you hold here, take a breath into your belly breathe out, making sure the back of the neck is long, the shoulder blades are pressing towards the floor. Take that moment to feel your body, feel the stretch. And let's change sides, crossing left ankle over right knee. Hands can come behind that right thigh, or you hold on to your left ankle and knee. Breathing into your belly. Feeling your body softening into the stretch. And cross your left leg, hug your right knee into your chest and take it over to the left and into a twist. It doesn't have to come all the way to the floor. Important thing is to make sure the right shoulder blade stays on the floor. As you hold here, breathe and feel the ribcage widen. Feel your back stretching as your breath comes deeper into your belly. Allow yourself to be present, feeling your body in this moment. Letting go of all of the thoughts. Slowly come to center, scooting the hips to the left slightly. Hug the left knee in. And when you're ready, take your left knee over to the right. Keeping the left shoulder blade on the floor. Extend the left arm out to the side. Rather than really forcing yourself into the stretch, focus on deepening your breath. As you breathe in, letting your ribs widen and your belly fully expand. Helping your body, your nervous system to relax. Slowly come to center and rock the knees from side to side. Extend your legs out long, palms facing up towards the ceiling, legs rolling out to the sides. After all of the movement and challenge physically, allow yourself to drop into your body, feeling the body heavy on the floor. Stepping into this present moment, knowing that the future and the past only exist in this mind. So choosing now to be present and to feel the sensation of your breath and your body. Choose to be in that bliss state of the present moment. Bring your knees into your chest. Rock your knees from side to side. Roll to one side and come to seated. Bring the palms together at the heart center. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you soon.